Hello to my students from Cedars and hello to those of you joining me for the first time. My name is Miss Angie and I'm an art teacher here in Austin, Texas. And if you want to check out my future videos, I'm going to be doing them every single week. So check it out, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to. And now this week, we're going to be using a very fancy art supply. I hope you saved them up from last week like I asked you to in the last video. We will be using toilet paper rolls. So hopefully you saved some toilet paper rolls up, but if not, don't worry about it. You can always use a paper towel roll or an empty roll from wrapping paper. Either of those would work great. So what are we gonna be making today? I'm thinking rocket ships. Okay, so let's talk supplies. You're gonna wanna grab your tube of choice, and then after that, you're going to wanna grab computer paper, construction paper, or some aluminum foil, markers, glue or tape, scissors, and easy to cut cardboard, like you would find from an empty Amazon package or an empty snack box or cereal box. So go ahead and pause the video until you've gathered all those things. Ready? Pause. Okay, now let's begin. Grab your roll right here, and you can grab a sheet of tinfoil like this, or you can grab yourself a piece of plain paper, or like me, maybe you have a piece of paper that you want to reuse. I made this one in my last video and I'm going to use it here. So place your roll down and add some glue. You can use a glue stick or you can use bottle glue. Either one will work. I'm just going to roll it up like this. Maybe add a bit of glue on the way. Okay, now I have a little extra, and that's okay. I'm just gonna tuck it in. Okay, so I've covered my rocket. Ta-da! Now the next thing I wanna do is add some wings. And so I'm gonna grab my easy to cut cardboard, and I already drew my wing shape here. So all I really have to do is cut it out. I don't want to really leave it like this because it doesn't really look like a rocket ship. I mean, that's a lemon bar. So no. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it, and you guys could just color it with marker, you can color it with paint, whatever you have, be creative and use it, okay? I happen to have this foil, and that's easy, so I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna cut it to shape, add a bit of glue on both sides, and then I'm gonna stick it. Now, it's just a matter of cutting it out one more time. Tucking it in around the edges. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a little bit on each side. Okay, a little cut here, and on the other side, a little cut there. And this should just slide right in there. Okay, it fits pretty well already, but I think it could go a little higher, so I'm gonna cut my slits just a little higher. All right, now to make it extra secure, all you have to really do is add some tape, and then it really won't go anywhere. Okay, that looks pretty good. Nice and snug. Awesome, I'm actually really excited. This looks great. Okay, so the next step is you wanna make the nose cone. And I'll be honest, this part's a little tricky. It's kind of a struggle, but we'll do the best that we can, okay? So the best way I found to do this is to take something round, maybe the size of a painter's tape roll, or maybe the size of a small plate, and you're gonna wanna trace that and then cut it out. Okay, now you're gonna wanna find the middle. I mean, just guess the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? And you're gonna wanna cut one straight line right to the middle. Okay, so there you go, kinda like that. And then you want to push these two pieces towards each other and bend it, and keep bending it and twisting it until you get kind of the shape like the nose of a rocket. It's not gonna wanna stay, okay? So you're gonna have to tape it. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. And once again, it's not gonna wanna stay all by itself, so you're definitely gonna have to tape it. But before I do that, I might as well cover it, right? So let's do that. I'm gonna add a bit of glue. Now I'm just gonna wrap it up in here. And I'm gonna cut away the extra. And whatever's extra can just be tucked inside. Now after that, it's a matter of sticking it on. And I think the best way would be either with hot glue if your parents can help you out, but you know, I like the quick way. So we're just gonna use some tape. Okay, here we go. And stick it. Okay, so that is the basic shape of a rocket. I think it looks pretty awesome so far. Now all you really have to do is add details. You could use a marker, you could glue buttons on there, you could cut little pieces of paper, you could use your extra foil, I think that would look cool, and do some stripes or some windows. All right, now if you have some tissue paper laying around, you can make pretty nice looking fire if you cut some strips of it. So that's gonna be my finishing touch to my rocket here. I'm gonna cut some of this up. And just like that, you have some nice looking pretend fire. A little bit of glue. Stick it inside of the bag. You could also use tape for this if it's easier for you, because it kept wanting to stick to my fingers. Okay, and that is my rocket. I actually think it looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. Super cool. Okay, so there's one more trick I wanna show you, all right? I used to do this at Halloween time. I would make little tissue paper ghosts and I would tape them to a string on my fan and they would swirl around. Well, I'm gonna see if I can do that to my rocket and make it swirl around on my fan. Okay, let's see if it works. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun making a rocket ship with me, and I bet yours looks a lot different from mine, which is awesome. We all have different stuff at home and we all have different ways of making art. I'd love to see what you made, so if you want, you can send me a picture. My email is in the description below, or if you're following on Facebook, you can just post a photo comment, and I would love to see that. Now, next week, we're gonna be doing art outside, and that is so exciting for me. I have some really cool stuff planned. So if you wanna join me, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you outside for art next time. Okay, well, goodbye for now. I miss you, Cedars kids. I love you. I hope to see you next time.